What if the voice inside your head isn't telling you the truth? Every single day, your brain makes thousands of decisions, yet science shows that many of them are based on illusions you never notice. The most shocking part? You trust those thoughts more than anything else. In 1998, psychologists Elizabeth Loftus and Jacqueline Pickrell published a famous study showing that people could be convinced they remembered events that never actually happened. Some participants even believed they had been lost in a shopping mall as children, despite it never happening. Their memories felt completely real. That's the terrifying part. Your brain doesn't simply replay the past, it rebuilds it every time you remember it. Neuroscientist Daniel Shatter once said, "Memory is not a literal reproduction of the past, but a reconstruction." That means every memory you replay can slowly change. Tiny details disappear. New details sneak in. Eventually, fiction can feel just as real as fact. Now think about an argument you had last week. Are you absolutely sure you remember every word correctly? Or did your brain quietly rewrite the story to make you look a little better? It gets even stranger. In a famous experiment by psychologist Daniel Simons, participants watched people pass basketballs and counted the passes. Halfway through, a person wearing a gorilla suit walked across the screen, stopped, beat their chest, and walked away. Nearly half the people never saw the gorilla. Read that again. A full-grown gorilla walked across the screen, and their brains erased it from reality. This phenomenon is called inattentional blindness. Your brain filters out information it thinks isn't important. Right now, there are countless sounds, colors, and movements around you that your mind is simply ignoring. But here's the twist. If your brain can hide a gorilla standing in plain sight, what else could it be hiding in your everyday life? Psychologists have discovered another powerful effect called confirmation bias. Once you believe something, your brain starts collecting evidence that proves you're right while quietly ignoring anything that proves you're wrong. It's like wearing invisible glasses that change reality without you realizing it. That's why two people can witness the exact same event and walk away with completely different stories. They aren't necessarily lying. Their brains are editing reality in different ways. Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman explained it perfectly: we can be blind to the obvious, and we are also blind to our blindness. Think about that for a second. You don't just miss things. You don't even realize you're missing them. Suddenly, every confident opinion, every memory, and every first impression becomes a little less certain. So the next time your mind tells you, "I know exactly what happened," ask yourself one question. Is that really the truth, or just the story your brain decided to tell? Because the greatest illusion in your life may not be something you see. It may be the way you think. If your own mind can fool you this easily, what other hidden psychological secrets are shaping your life without you ever noticing? Subscribe, because some of the biggest mysteries aren't out in the world, they're already inside your head.